Mind the Gap. There we go, Kidderminster. I'm waiting for the train, and today I'm off to Liverpool. Let's go and have a look, see what Liverpool's all about. Off to the Cavern and the Mersey, and just go and see some live music. Anyway. Hey. There you go. Oh, I forgot to test it, didn't I? Yeah, that'll do. Very good, very good. Well, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon and it's beer o'clock, and I'm in a Witherspoons all the way to Liverpool. I'm coming to a Witherspoons, so this is how it's going to start. So that now, the Daffodil is an original ferry which used to go across the Mersey, and now they only sell beer on the ferry, don't they? So I'm going to have a beer first, quick look at beer, and then I'm going for a beer.
Come together. I know.
There you go, I'm on the ferry on the Mersey.
As we make our way along the river, look out for some
There you go, I'm on the ferry. I'm on the ferry on the River Mersey. There's Liverpool behind me, and that is Birkenhead. That way. Everyone's fighting to have their photos up with the flag. We don't need to do that, do we? There you go, look. boat trip's finished. 14 quid this was for about 50 minutes. So that was really good. Right, where's the bars?
Famous Mathew Street, where the Cavern Club is.
There you go. It's time for a beer anyway. I'm going to go on this boat. It's an old decommissioned, what do they call it? Ferry. And anyway, did you see the drone going over the Mersey? That was good, wasn't it? Hey? Anyway, come with me, come on. There you go. Tiger beer, all the way from, is it Vietnam? Tiger beer, I'm not sure. Anyway, Tiger beer in Liverpool. Oh, absolutely disgusting. No, I ain't joking, it's lovely.
Sometimes I wonder what I'm gonna do. There ain't no cure for the summertime blues. Oh, take me, you let me be your man. And please, take to me, you let me hold your hand. Does anybody remember a fella called Buddy Holly? All my love, all of my kissing, you don't know what you've been in this no more. When you're with me, oh boy, the world will see that you are meant for me. All my life I've been waiting tonight, there'll be no hesitation no more. When you're with me, oh boy, the world will see that you are meant for me. It's not time started then, without dollar or one to spend. And how much, baby, do we really need? Go, Chuck, come on. What's the big game out you take?
What lovely pictures, look. This is the hotel.
This is the Radisson Red Hotel in Liverpool, which is right next door, literally next door to Lime Street Station. So very, very handy.
Anyway, see you later.